16 Angels, 16 Angels, 2004 first editions. She's a beauty, man. Look at that. This is one of my ones I don't like. One of the ones I do like a lot. 16 Angels. 16 Angels. I have several of these. I think 4 of them so far on YouTube. This is number 5. Someday, 35 years from now, I'll have tons of them. If my place doesn't burn down. Where'd that come from? Shoot, I'm just talking, man. I hope and pray that'll never happen again. That'll ever happen. It never happened at all. So, I'm blessed with what I have. Thank goodness I have insurance. Because it would cover it. I just would lose all my cars. 21 years down the drain.